Shanghai Hudongzhong Warship Yard 7th ship launching 815A electronic reconnaissance ship on 8 August. This is the 6th type of warship launched in China since March 2014. Electronic reconnaissance ship is a naval service ship for electronic technology reconnaissance. Equipped with a variety of radio receivers, radar receivers, terminal demodulation and recording equipment, signal analysis instruments and receive antennas, etc. Some are equipped with electronic jamming equipment. These data collected for code-breaking research communications, band law, research on interference methods, is an important platform for electronic warfare at sea. The 815 type of electronic reconnaissance ship in the second half of 1999 into the East China Sea Fleet, developed by China, is building multifunctional integrated system reconnaissance ship. After modification, the installation of 3 large antenna enclosures, and then built this type of warship has been 815A type, and the 3 spherical radome has become a clear mark 815A electronic reconnaissance ship. The type of reconnaissance ship displacement of about 6,000 tons, 130 meters long, 16.4 meters wide, the draft depth of 6.5 meters, equipped with diesel engines and dual-axis double rudder propulsion device, the maximum speed of 20. The ship is equipped with the electronic equipment used to intercept enemy radar and radio signals, monitoring and analysis to implement all weather electronic signals intelligence on multiple targets in a certain range, even with a view of the ship, but also on the ballistic missile test of missile trajectory measurement and tracking tasks.